Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito naman ang ating coins, ang Quantum Amusement Token. Ito guys ay napaka-importante itong baryang ito guys. Barya din ang tawag nito guys sa ating token coins. So tapusin lang natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol nito guys sa baryang ito. Ang Quantum Amusement Quarter or Quantum Amusement. The terms quantum token can refer to several distinct projects of the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. Here's on the overview of some notable ones. Number 1, Quantum coins. Quantum coin is a layer of the blockchain's platform designed to be resistant quantum computer attacks. It employs NIST or NEST standardized post-quantum cryptography algorithms to secure its network, addressing vulnerabilities found in the traditional blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Quantum coin supports smart contract compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine or AVM and the utilizes of the proof at stake consensus machine mechanism. The mainnet for Quantum coin was launched on December 31, 2023. The project was previously known as DUG protocol before rebranding. Number 2, Quantum tokens or Quantum launched on February 1, 2025. Quantum token operates on the Solana blockchains. The project has announced plans to introduce a unique trading bot within the Solana network, aiming to assist users in cryptocurrency trading. Specific details about the project objectives and development status. Number 3, Hub or Quantum Hub. Quantum Hub is a cryptocurrency tokens built on the Ethereum blockchains. As of recent data, it has a total supply of 100 million tokens. The project experienced an all-time high price on March 13, 2024, but has since seen a significant decline in value. Further information about the project's mission and developments is scarcer. Number 4, Quantum tokens or dollar QS swap on Quantum network or dollar sign QS swap is the native tokens of Quantum network, which features its own decentralized exchange DEX called Quantum Swap. The token has a circulating of $10 billion or QR swap and is available for trading on platforms like Uniswap and BitSmart. A 5% transaction tax is applied to vote buy and sell transactions, allocated as follows: 15% for token buyback, 15% redistributed by stackers, and 70% directed to marketing efforts. Number 5, Quantum tokens is Quantum Key distribution QKD beyond cryptocurrencies. The concept of quantum tokens has been explored in the realm of quantum cryptography. In November 2024, companies like Mitsu or Mitsunek, NHC, and Quantinuum demonstrated the delivery and redemptions of the unforgettable quantum tokens over 10,000 or 10 kilometer fiber optic network in Tokyo using quantum key distribution technology. These tokens represent digital assets such as stocks or money and offer enhanced security features inherent to quantum cryptography. Each of these quantum token initiatives has unique characteristics and goals. So yun ang napakaganda kanyang mga impormasyon guys sa paryang ito guys ng token quantum amusement. Maraming salamat guys panood at God bless sa ating lahat.